In this lesson, I just wanted to go over some of the naming conventions along with the abbreviations used in schematics, and these are going to vary from manufacturer to manufacturer. But first thing I just did is I did a relay list here. This is usually on Gottlieb's on the lower left of the schematic, and just going through, it lists one relay. Index 8E is the location you can find it on the schematic, so you can play Battleship here. So if I find 8, go across, find E, go down. The intersection of 8E is going to be where you find Relay A at the schematic. The next thing's the abbreviation. Gottlieb doesn't use names, they use abbreviations for the most part, so this is going to be referenced as Relay A. And if you need to know the use of it, come over here, and it's the extra ball relay. Coil number, if this coil was bad and you had to order it, this would be the part number you would use. Type AG, there's different types that I went over. AG is kind of the normal relay. And one thing I did want to go over is this contacts. On this relay A, I have 6 different switches. 2 of them are normally open. 3 of them are going to be normally closed, and then there's one make-break switch. So again, there's 6 switches on this stack. 2 of them are going to be normally open, 3 of them are going to be normally closed, and 1 of them is going to be a make-break. So sometimes you'll see this notation of A, B, C, and again, the key's just right here to help you with that. Next example, I just want to go over some of the coloring conventions on wires. Here I made a table of different colors that you'll see. The first number is the body color, second number is the trace color, and third number is the use of how many times they're using the wire. And example here, I have 20, which is a blue wire with no tracer, so 2 is blue. 0, if I come down here, means there's no tracer, so this is just going to be a solid blue wire, compared to 41, which is a green wire with a red tracer. So again, 4 is green, 1 is red, so this is going to be mostly green wire with a little bit of red in it. And last thing some manufacturers do is they'll do like 41-2, 41-1, 41-3. And it's just how many times they use the wires. So it's not connected. They're just reusing wires that they had on hand. In this example, green wire with a red tracer, this is the second time they've used it, if it has it. 41-2 would be the third time they've used it, whereas 41 would be the first instance of it. And this last slide, I just kind of did what Gottlieb does, and they use abbreviations, and I wrote these up here for you, and it's similar to what you saw on the last slide. Here they do dash, orange dash green in this case is just orange with a green tracer, and it's this bottom wire here. I just happen to have a picture that had both wire colors together. And then the next one, if it's a plus sign, that means it's orange and green mottled, and that just means basically it's half and half. It's half green, half orange, where if it's with a tracer, it's going to be majority of it's going to be orange. So hopefully this helps you. And when looking at schematics, look around the perimeter of the schematics. There's a lot of time, a lot of good information, abbreviations and such that will help you with the schematics.